Commercial diplomacy is the work of diplomatic missions in support of the home country's business and finance sectors. Distinct from, although obviously closely related to, economic diplomacy, it is now common for commercial diplomacy to include the promotion of inward and outward investment, as well as trade. Important features of this work are the supplying of information about export and investment opportunities, and organizing and helping to act as hosts to trade missions from home. In American diplomatic missions, this work is currently undertaken largely by officers of the Foreign Commercial Service of the Department of Commerce, assisted by the mission's economic officer, and possibly others.